So arguably, what is the most important part of this e-commerce business, this drop shipping? And look, there are a lot of key important factors to the whole business, but one of them, and mainly, is your creative. Now, yes, you do have your website, your actual product, but the creatives are probably one of the most important part. That is what gets people to your website. That's what gets people to even convince them psychologically that even before they go on your website that they're kind of interested and they might purchase depending on how your website is, your copywriting, and your offers. So I want to take the time today because I don't think a lot of people do this on the internet. And I feel like, how do you learn best? How do people learn best? And I always try to think, how can people grasp the knowledge for them to kind of boost them forward to their success or to their journey? And it's always looking at previous winning examples. When people just tell you, do this for a creative, do this, sure, they might learn a bit, but it's like they can't fully grasp the full idea until they actually see a live example. And sometimes I don't see a lot of people on the internet showing past examples of their win. It's like everyone's kind of scared, or like they're trying to hide their winning products or their what they're doing or how they make money. Look, like I said, luckily for you, I don't give a shit. I've exposed, like, my Discord knows my website. My Discord knows the products I'm testing. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm trying to make money and trying to get financial freedom. But during that journey, I'm also trying to help you and other people along as well. It would be selfish. And like I said, I always have this mentality that God is watching and karmic retribution is a real thing. So I always want to do good and I always want to help people. So that's what I'm here today. So out of the hundreds of plus creatives that I've created and tested, I chose 3 of the best ones that I've put most of my money in. Like, each of these ads, I've put thousands of dollars in, generating thousands of dollars even more. So I want to go over them and kind of do a deep analysis and understand why they did so well. So I'm going to show you one of the best ones that performed the best. And we're going to watch it. So buckle up and let's just watch it fully, and then I'll go into a deep analysis after.
Most successful people on earth are wearing this bracelet, and here is why.
What it does is that it helps you to manifest any desires that you want quickly by raising your spiritual vibration. And all of this is thanks to the rare crystal inside the amulet. The crystal itself is powerful because it's a mix of lapis lazuli and satellite. And what these 2 stones actually do is they raise your vibration and enable communication with the universe. So this actually allows you to speak directly with the universe. The crystal in the amulet actually glows when it starts working. And what this means is that your desires are getting fulfilled by the universe. If you do want to get yours, you can find them down below. They are buy one, get one right now. So I do recommend you pick one up because they are selling out very quickly.
It may not seem like it, but that ad has generated me thousands of dollars. And let's understand why. Now, first of all, it's a UGC style type of content. And obviously, as you may know, that is the ad creatives that work the best right now. Yes, you may have some AI made, but at the end of the day, people are looking for authenticity. They're not looking for all this kind of AI, robotic, scammy versions of these ad creatives. When you have a face talking, like a real human being who's explaining their experience, that's always going to get your ad creative on the good side of your customers. Also, basically, if you didn't understand, the product is this zodiac bracelet. But look, at the end of the day, it's just a regular bracelet. But as I've explained before so many times, people don't buy the product because of the product. They buy the product because of the benefits, the desire that product bring, the results, not the product benefits. You see, the ad never talked about it's made by authentic leather, it won't break, it's really durable, it's comfortable, it's cute, whatever it is. it had a target of a actual human desire, and what it did was, maybe it over exaggerated a bit, probably for sure, talked about how there's some crazy crystal that's inside the bracelet that helps you directly connect to the universe to help you manifest your dreams and success. So people are now buying the bracelet because they want to start manifesting their dreams of success. Maybe it's a car, maybe it's a new job, a better job offer, maybe it's a relationship, whatever it may be to the customer. But they're not buying it because it's fucking nice leather. You understand? So it depends on your angle that you're coming from, and that's why this video did so well. And I can bring up another one that is about the same product. It's pretty similar, just a different person talking.
3 months since I've been using it, and my life has been completely changed.
This ad talked about more of her actual personal experience.
It's been 3 months since I've been using it, and my life has been completely changed. I've tried every manifestation method, and none of them have been as strong as this amulet. This amulet raises your vibration thanks to a rare crystal. This lets you speak directly to the universe, which is why it's such a powerful tool. I was a little skeptical at first, but I tried it since I knew I could return it if it didn't really work out. I received it after a couple of days. It was so intense, and I felt such a positive energy. I started visualizing my desires like the instructions said, and the feeling got stronger. After only 2 weeks of doing this, my desires started coming true. I got a job offer with much better pay. I got a bonus from the job I was currently at. I was shocked how fast it worked. After a month, a ton of my worries went away. I had accepted a job and I was doing so much better for myself. I've manifested so much, and so have many other people. They are running out quickly, but the shipping is really fast and there's a lifetime guarantee. Make sure to check it out.
Simple. So this one talked more of the angle of her personal experience. But look, again, at the end of the day, it wasn't talking about the actual product benefit. It talked about the desire benefits of what the customer gets. It's pretty straightforward. And if you realize who's talking in the ads, it's not some 18-year-old kid. It's not some 40-year-old old man. It's the target audience that you're going to target to. Those are middle-aged women, and guess who were most of my customers? Middle-aged women. So they see I wouldn't say familiar face, but something like that they can resonate with them, because like, look at this person. Why do you think now with e-commerce, all your ads or all the people that you watch and follow, including me, are young men? Because you're probably a young man trying to get the same outcome. So just like that, it's the same factor for these ads. You have to have the same kind of customer on your ad. You have to have this what's the word? Fuck, I hate that there's no edits in these videos. Like your attractive customer, your attractive character. What is it called? Your dream customer. I think that's what it is. Your dream customer. You have to have them in your ad so people can relate to them more, right? So that was basically that bracelet, and you can understand now more. You can probably grasp the idea. So now maybe don't go start selling this fucking bracelet, but you can start implementing in your own products. Maybe it's jewelry or clothing. Don't sell the actual clothing. Don't sell the actual product. Sell the desire. Now, we're going to go to the last one that I have for today. It was a bracelet that was kind of a Cartier dupe. And we're going to watch it and see.
You know, a core memory for me is being 16 years old and thinking you are not wealthy unless you had 10 Cartier bracelets slapped on your wrist. So you just had to be there, the King Kylie era. Yeah, you just had to be there.
So, again, why did that video do well? You're trying to probably figure out what was the desire there. Well, first, the desire is luxury, because Cartier bracelets, everyone knows, was a very popular bracelet back in the days. But also, it's kind of like inducing FOMO. So the video started off by saying, "Oh, you're not rich unless you have like 10 of these on your bracelet." Then it also had Kylie Jenner, a famous person that so many of my target audience look up to, wear the bracelet. And then it goes back to the offer where they can now be like Kylie Jenner, as they look at her as like a role model. for just $18. Like, you see the strategy? It's not just you make an ad, talk about the 3 benefits, this product is cool, I like it so much, and pop it off. There's a strategy in each ad. And that's what you have to analyze. You have to target their desire. So this one was the FOMO, the fear of missing out. It was the desire of achieving luxury with such easily, like with such a low price. And also having that their role model or someone famous, a familiar face, wearing them kind of makes them more trustworthy now because, oh, if she's wearing them, I can wear them as well because I trust her because she's popular. Whatever it is, you can kind of grasp, again, the concept. Look, I just want you to stop focusing on the stupid shit sides of this business. Stop focusing on if you want a private supplier. Stop focusing on, I want my website to look like it. Bro, that's not going to get you sales. The only thing that's going to get you sales is your actual product and your creatives. Focus all your energy. The other shit should take not even a few hours, less. Focus all your energy on these ad creatives, the strategy, the angle that you're going to target people and human desires. When you start focusing and putting all your time and energy into that, that's when you're actually going to finally find a winner. I can't stress this enough. Look, again, I'm not some multi-millionaire yet, but from my experience, like I said, I'm going through a journey. This whole YouTube channel is me documenting my journey, but I want to help people from what I've learned so far, and this is what I've learned so far, and it's what has worked for me and brought me to where I am today. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you found it valuable, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, help the algorithm, pay it forward. If you found it valuable, someone else will. And if you pay it forward, like I said, God is watching. Karmic retribution is a real thing. It exists. Good karma, bad karma, all of it does. So please make sure to I did my job, do your job. And when you learn how to actually implement the most time and energy into the most important parts of your business, that's when you'll start to see success. And again, that's when I'll see you at the